Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show you what COSORI sent me probably a couple weeks ago. They sent me a replacement basket for my 5.8 quart COSORI air fryer. And it fits. It's just like the other one that came with it. And so I mainly got it to use for multiple batch cooking. There's nothing wrong with the other basket that I have. Nothing wrong with it. But I would like to be able to prep my food all at one time. Have my chicken wings or whatever in both baskets. And while one batch is cooking and it gets done, I can just shove this right on in there and let it continue cooking in the already heated up air fryer. Okay. So, very nice. I love it. And this particular brand air fryer basket is so easy to clean. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Did I say I love it? So, I just want to make you all aware of a replacement basket that you can buy from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And this also comes in the 3.7 quart size. So if you need an extra basket or a replacement basket, you have to specify which size you need. And you know that Prime Day, let me see, got my website open. Amazon Prime Day is coming up. Today is Friday, and so it's coming up on Monday and Tuesday, July the 15th and the 16th. So this may even be on sale, a little bit cheaper. So I want to thank you for watching. Leave a nice comment, thumbs up, and look for this link in my description box. Okay. You all have a very blessed day. Bye.